When the rubber hits the road and the road wins, the result is a flat tire. We'll show you how to change the outcome in this video. Hi, I'm Kiefer, and this is all about trailers. Whether your tire was underinflated, had some physical damage from road debris, or was worn out and it blew, it's a tire failure and it needs to be addressed immediately. No matter why it happened, we're going to show you how to fix it. We're going to need the following tools: a floor jack, a lug wrench, torque wrench, and a socket. If you're on the side of the road, make sure you're safe while changing the tire and you're not in the way of traffic, that you are pulled over to the side of the road and off the road as much as possible, but still on a flat, hard surface. On a single tire application like the one we have today, we have a 2020 TK trailer in the shop. It's much like changing the tire on your truck. While the trailer is on the ground, break the lugs loose on your failed tire. We aren't taking them off yet, but we need to get them loose before we raise the trailer's tires off the ground. The reason being is it's very hard to break the lugs loose when the tire wants to spin when it's off the ground. Once we have the jack in place and in a safe position, we want to raise the trailer up that we have enough clearance to put the spare on the trailer. With the trailer raised up and we have the clearance we need to finish taking off the lugs, and the failed tire needs to be pulled off. After we get the tire off, we can grab our spare and replace the flat tire on the spare wheel mount, and then start putting on the new tire. We can start putting on the lugs by hand and get them as snug as possible before we let it down, but we'll tighten them up in a moment. After this, we can let the jack down slowly, and then we can start tightening the lugs. If you haven't seen our video on lug nut maintenance, make sure to go back and watch that. I'll put the link in the description below.
Whether you're transporting cargo, dumping loads, hauling cars, moving earth, or hauling just about anything at all, Texas Pride Trailers is behind you all the way.
Now that the wheel is on the ground, we can use our torque wrench to apply the right amount of torque to the lug nuts and get them tight. You can find both the tightening pattern and the torque specs in your owner's manual. In our owner's manual, we find that this specific axle calls for 80 to 90 foot-pounds of torque, and since this is a 5-stud setup, we have a star pattern we have to keep. So we make sure we keep tightening these in the specific order until the torque wrench clicks. That click lets us know that we've achieved the proper torque on the lugs. It's a pretty easy thing to take care of. In the next video, we'll show you how to change the tires on a dual wheel application. If you like this video, smash the like button and click the subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified when we drop new videos. If you like this video and want to see more trailer maintenance videos on this channel, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and as always, feel free to smash that subscribe button. It lets us know we're doing a good job, and we'll see you in the next one.